know, I'm back at my drawing table here, listening to music and stuff, and I just came across, looking through old sketchbooks and stuff, I just came across this about just a few minutes ago, actually. This, and it looks like it was back in 2009 I first thought of the Big Belch idea. Looks like that. In any case, this is the very beginning. Oh god. Ages ago, anyway. Life intervenes, as it always says. What is that?